Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing that works worldwide with a great affiliate partner. But before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you get notified every time I put out a new video on how to make money online. Okay, let's jump right in. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to take you through which affiliate platform to use that accepts affiliates worldwide, how to sign up, where and how to promote your affiliate links, and the best free traffic source to maximize your earnings. So the affiliate partner that we're going to work with today is JVZoo. JVZoo works worldwide. So if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and start for free and follow the prompts and fill out the information. I'm going to go ahead and log in. I've already got an account. Once you're in the JVZoo dashboard, this is your dashboard here. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go up to affiliates, find products. Up here in the keyword search, you can go ahead and put a keyword in. Let's put in keto. Seems to be a big category these days. So once you're here, you can see all the different keto products that are available to promote. In order to be able to promote them as an affiliate, you have to request approval individually for them. Over here, you can see actually when it launched, how many units they've sold, what the conversion rate is, what your earnings per click are, the average price of the product, and the refund rate. Refund rate is big. You want to make sure that it's not a large number, because that just means that many people that purchase it are asking for refunds, which again, less commissions for you. So just pay attention to the refund rate. So after you request approval, you're going to go ahead and get an email similar to this, where you can get your affiliate links here and see all your approved products here. But once you go back to the dashboard, you go up to affiliates and you click on approved products. Once you're there, you'll be able to see all the products that you've been approved to promote. So we're going to go ahead and pick one of these, Key Search Starter. You click on Get Links, and this is the link that we're going to go ahead and promote. So we go ahead and copy that link. So what we've gone over so far is which affiliate platform to use that accepts affiliates worldwide. That's JVZoo. We've gone through how to sign up, and now we're going to show you where and how to promote your affiliate links. So I went ahead and showed you where to get your link. You get your link here, Get Links. And now I'm going to show you how to promote it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Linktree, linktr.ee. I think that's what it is. No, linktr. There you go. linktr.ee. So you can go ahead and sign up for a free account. It is free forever. You can also upgrade if you want to. I'm going to just go ahead and once you get started, you go ahead and fill out the information, email, okay? I'm going to go ahead and log in. I already have an account. Once you're on the Linktree dashboard, you're going to be able to see where you can put your links in. So you want to click Add a New Link. We have our copied affiliate link here. We go ahead and put it in where it says URL. You click on the little pencil, and this is where you're going to go ahead and paste your URL. So there's your affiliate link. Now we're going to go ahead and put a title. So what actually is the title of this product? So let's take a look at this. You want to click on the product name, and then you want to click View Sales Page. And this is Keyword Research Made Easy. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to put this into my Linktree. So I'm essentially selling a keyword research tool is what I'm selling, a keyword research tool, okay? So once your link is in there, you can see it over here on the right. It gives you a little preview of what it's going to look like. And then this link right here is the link that we're going to promote on the best free traffic source that I'm going to show you here. So the best free traffic source right now is TikTok. So I work with affiliate marketing, and that's what I teach. So I could post a video in here in reference to this keyword research and put this link from the Linktree in my bio on my TikTok. Okay, so I can put this link right here in addition to well, I have that link there, but let's say we wanted to look for a keto recipes. Okay, so here's a TikTok account. There's no link in their bio. They're trying to push them over to Instagram. But if you were to put one of the keto products that we have here in our affiliate approved products that we can promote, and we took the ketogenic diet 101 and we took that link, put it in our link tree, and then it's over here, and that's the link that we would go ahead and put in our bio. And then we would make videos, we would create content daily to get followers to then eventually click on our link to buy our product. So creating one of these niche accounts like keto recipes, or let's do like cute dogs. Okay, cute dogs only. So they have a link tree. Let's take a look at their link tree. Now, anytime you see this, it's only because TikTok is saying, hey, you're leaving our platform. Are you sure? So they would click open anyway. And then there's their link tree. This is what their link tree looks like. Okay. So it gives them 4 different links that they can choose from. So that's basically what you would do. You would put your link tree link in your bio, and there's no faces. These are all pictures and videos of animals. So there's no person's faces. So you can do this without even showing your face. So that's the great thing about having a niche account. So once you have your niche account created, you want to start posting valuable content for your audience. So when your audience comes to check out your page and your posts, they're going to be able to see the link for your link tree in your profile, and they'll click on it and it'll bring them to that affiliate product. So all you need to do now is post helpful content videos for them to see. Now you can get videos for free from Pexels.com. Click on videos, type in your niche, whether it be keto dieting, and look at all these videos free. You can download them for free. You just click on it and you click free download. This one here happens to be 11 seconds. A TikTok video is minimum 15 seconds, but you can have an 11-second video. There's nothing wrong with having it less than the 15 seconds. So that's definitely an option. You can put the cute dogs in here. Cute dogs. Let's see what comes up here. Oh, look, cute dogs. Look at this cute dog. If you have a dog channel for a niche channel, there's so many videos that you can get either off of YouTube or other free sites just as well for your content. So we went over the affiliate platform, JVZoo, how to sign up, where to get our links, and how to promote your affiliate links using Linktree. And then, of course, the best free traffic source right now to maximize your earnings, and that is TikTok. I can't stress enough how powerful TikTok is, where you can get thousands of views on your videos per day. 19,000 here, 101,000 views on this video, getting eyeballs on your content to bring them to your affiliate link. So it's a very, very powerful traffic method. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you can get notified every time I put out a new video on how to make money online just like this. If you got some value out of this video, give me a thumbs up and mention in the comments, tell me what you like most about the video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.